How to fix declined transaction is not visible in the app on Revolut. If your declined transaction doesn't appear in your app, this issue can either be with the merchant or with your method of payment. Here are some tips. Try using a different payment method. In person, you can try to chip and pin, contactless with card, swipe, Apple, Google Pay. Online, you can try entering details manually or providing by Apple or Google Pay. Try using a different card. Click to see some available cards. Create a free virtual card by tapping on your phone. Select any card in card section to add it to Google or Apple Pay. If your physical card payments do not work, but your card works with a digital wallet, Apple or Google Play, try using the physical card with another merchant. If your physical card continues to fail, check for damage and order a replacement by selecting the card and tapping on Replace Card if needed. Fees may apply. You can also take a moment to fill out a form on our website. Your input is crucial in helping us resolve this issue.